Breakerbroke23. Today is the last day of 2019, and this will absolutely be my last video ever for 2019. Yeah, I like how YouTubers are doing that like here lately. It's kind of interesting if you ask me. But anyway, yeah, I just want to thank you guys for being with me through this little YouTube journey and supporting me and watching my kooky videos and putting up with my adult dyslexia, which I find it kind of interesting that I actually even have 12,000 subscribers, quite honestly. But that being said, we're gonna put out some more content for 2020, more electronic oriented content, Bluetooth, home audio. We're gonna get back, I'm getting back into car audio, which was my field back in the day, so that ought to be kind of fun. But you know, I got an email not too long ago. Actually, it wasn't an email, it was from a comment on the YouTube video, and they're like, oh dude, you should maybe do Patreon. And I thought about that for a minute, and I'm like, no, I'm not going to beg for money, because I kind of think that's kind of, I don't know, dorky, jonesy, I don't know. I'm just not really into that. But I am an Amazon influencer, so I'm not going to ask you for Patreon donations or anything like that. But I do ask of you, if you're shopping on Amazon or you're going to shop on Amazon, run back over to one of my videos, click on one of my Amazon shop links down below, and then go do your shopping on Amazon. I do get paid a small commission on what you guys buy on Amazon, and it doesn't come out of your pocket. It comes out of the Amazon seller's pocket, and best of all, it comes out of Dr. Evil's pocket. And we all know who Dr. Evil is. Bald guy, owns Amazon. So anyway, it's built into that whole process. So when you guys order off that through one of my links, it helps me out so I can continue bringing you these lame videos with, you know, various subjects on Bluetooth, and it just lets me buy extra product to experiment with, and cameras and whatnot to do filming with, and lighting, and by God, I really need help in that department. So yeah, anyway, that being said, go to amazon.com/shop/Breakerbroke23. Also, if you guys have any ideas for videos, or want to see something specific, like how to do something with a home stereo or Bluetooth or car audio or anything like that, leave me a suggestion in the comment boxes down below, or you can email me direct at breakerbroke23@yahoo.com, breakerbroke23@yahoo.com. All right, guys, well, listen, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking with me. I really appreciate it, and I'm sorry that you have to look at my mug, because this is not a face made for television. Anyway, take care, 7 threes, and have a great 2020. Breakerbroke23, over and out.